I talk too much. Nothing manifests in my life. Nothing works. I'm Coach Cooper, a certified life personal development and coach, and CEO of Blonde Beauty Eye, based in USA. Today we are going to talk about choosing your project at time. Close your mouth, open a book note. What does that mean? Let me give you an advice today. I was like telling people my project, my dream, everything that I was planning to do. It was not working. This message is for you because this is what I realized when I was telling people about my project. Nothing was working. Everything was blocked. It can be you. You have to take a step to think about it before telling people your project. Close your mouth. Your mouth gonna be your book note. Each time I was telling people about what I was doing, what I was planning, it was not working. It can be a wedding, it can be your career, it can be that you want to travel. A project that will make you grow. I was selling it, but it was stopping just like that, instantly. I was just afraid that what is going on around me? And one day something talked to me in myself. I realized that it was my mouth who was spoiling my own project. Maybe you are doing the same thing, that mistake. Stop it. Take a call action than stuck in there, blocking your own dream. Don't make that mistake that I was doing before. You change it. That's why I'm here to you, to give you the tools how I manage to realize my own dream after my failure so many times. You need to talk to your mentor, a coach, a person that motivating you, a person who is not jealous, because we are surrounded with jealous people around. You don't even know. Be careful. Take action. Don't waste time. Call a recovery call so we can talk and see how we can work on it. Share and subscribe, comment on my